Good morning you guys, welcome to Vlogtober day 28. We are nearing the end. It's the final week of Vlogtober. I'm up, ready to go as you can see. And we are going to go out and do our normal thing, which is go sit somewhere and plan the week. It should be slightly less hectic this week because we don't have specific things we must shoot, etc, etc. And I'm going to do a little bit of self-maintenance this week. I'm going to get a wax later on, and I also need to get my nails done. I'm getting my toes. Getting a massage tomorrow, which I'm very excited about, so it's going to be a little bit more chilled. But yeah, I couldn't fit those things in last week. So, come out of our little planning session, which took us a little while, and then I did a little bit of reading whilst we were waiting. But anyway, now I'm heading to my wax. Nothing very exciting happening, but we'll see you properly can't film in there, like no cameras allowed, so hence why there is no footage of such a thing. I did go and it was horrific again. It's really something's going on with my chest. I think it's the cold weather obviously, and I need to start taking my inhaler to the HIIT class and maybe like having a puff or two pre-HIIT class, because it's kind of ruining my classes at the minute. And to be fair, the guy is not giving us any rest between rounds, which I think is not super clever because it's so intense and you can't be doing 35 minutes of that intensity. And it's supposed to be 45 minutes and we ended like 10 minutes early today. Whew, I can still feel it in my chest now. But anyways, I also I forgot to take my makeup remover to the gym with me, and I had to do my HIIT class in my makeup, which I'm not entirely pleased about. But anyway, headed home now. It is definitely dinner time. My HIIT class is at 6:45, so it's almost 8 now because we have to go buy petrol, blah 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 blah. But yeah, sorry it's not been a super vloggable day as of yet. So guys, I am ready for bed. I feel like it's been quite a long day today. I'm definitely ready for bed. Yeah, sorry I haven't vlogged much, but we'll be back to normal vlogging tomorrow when there are more vloggable things. What am I doing tomorrow? I am very excitingly getting a massage with Lush. They offered to gift me one of their spa treatments, and I think I picked the Calmer massage. Calmer is my absolute favourite bubble bar, as you guys know, and sounds amazing. I'm going to zoom you out a bit because that's a bit intense. You can hear my asthma kind of. Then I'm getting a pedicure, and then I'm going to accompany Zach to an eye test. Do a little bit of work in between, some emails and stuff, but yeah, nothing crazy. It's going to be quite a nice day tomorrow. Oh, we're starting off the day with Bly's and a run though, which I'm not really looking forward to, and I kind of need to get to bed because 6 AM wake ups are not the one, you guys. Anyway, I've made a little bit of progress, not loads, but a little bit with the Greenlanders today. It's very much written in saga style. You can really tell it's kind of like, it's like oral history-esque. I don't know if sagas are oral history, probably not. It's kind of like formalised anyway, is what I mean, in various ways, like in a kind of storytelling way. But yeah, I'm enjoying it. I'm slowly getting to grips with the Norse names, the Icelandic names, because there's a lot of kind of similar-ish names that it is tricky to remember who's who, but I'm doing my best. Quite a long book actually. This one's like 580 pages or something. I think I counted it as one of my like lengthier books that I can kind of spread out over 2 weeks. I can't remember if I told you guys about that. I was going to read like 2 books a week plus half of a long book. But I am going to try and get through it all this week, I think, and then maybe read a couple of shorter ones towards the end of the week. Oh yeah, I'm probably going to do house stuff Wednesday, maybe Thursday as well, if you're wondering when that's coming, because obviously we didn't do it yesterday. I can hear Zach doing his Duolingo, and I'm going to go do some Duolingo of my own. I'm really enjoying it. I think it's a good way to learn a language, as long as you kind of pay attention to it. And yeah, I'm enjoying it so far. I don't think I took my eye makeup off correctly. I kind of look a little bit panda-eyed, but it is time for me to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching today. We'll see you tomorrow for another Vlogtober. Can't believe we are nearing the end.